Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a presentation in Canva. So I'm just going to select presentations on the home page, and I am just going to choose like the size, probably this one. And then I can also like find the templates I want to use. There's history, science, school, timeline, business, colors, etc. There's a lot to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm just going to select apply all 8 pages, and it's going to be added to the sort of canvas, I guess. You can edit the template here. For instance, I'm going to write sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today, to write English class. Elementary school user Kiana's class, for instance. And here it changes the whole sort of text too, because I wrote English class instead of class syllabus, and this thing changed. And you can also add in like transitions between the sort of slides here. So right click on the presentation and select add transition, and you can add dissolve, slide. You can also change the direction. There's circle wipe, line wipe, stack. There's also chop. There's just a lot to choose from. I think I am just going to choose slide because I like that the best. And you can apply between all pages, but I'm just going to apply it to one. You can also have notes on the of the presentation here by pressing right click and selecting notes, or just select notes here. And that is pretty much how you can create a presentation in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!